guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a huge Sephora haul. These are basically things that I got over the last month or so, but because I don't live near a Sephora, I only just got them, and I'm so excited. There's so many things here. I also threw in a little bit of things that I got from other websites and other companies that are sold at Sephora, so I figured it would be fine to just jam them all together because you can get all of these products at Sephora. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So first, I did end up getting a bunch of the Sephora Favorites kits. I am not going to go into detail right now because I am planning a video just about like the best kits at Sephora. So I'll just show them real quick. I got this one for lips. It is called the Give Me Some Shine. I got another lips one because obviously I'm obsessed. And this one is called Give Me Some Balm. So this one has more of like lip balms. I got this one, which is basically a mascara sampler. And this one is called Last Stash to Go. And then I got the two Hello kits from Sephora. So these are the new thing that comes instead of their like monthly subscription box, which was the Sephora Play. So again, I will do a video on these in the future really soon, so stay tuned for that. And as far as the rest goes, this is completely packed. I have so many things to show you. So I will start with this really exciting product. This is from the One Size brand. It is Patrick Starr's new makeup brand, and it's called the Go Off a Makeup Dissolving Mist. So this is a makeup removing spray, which I thought was so unique and new to the market. So I really wanted to pick that up. I know he also came out with makeup wipes, but to be honest, I'm not a fan of makeup wipes. I don't like that they're one-time use, and I'm also not a fan of what they do to my skin. I feel like they don't remove everything and they're really harsh sometimes. So I just don't use them, so I didn't pick those up, but I thought this was really unique, and I was wondering if I can use this without the wipes because they always show them together, but technically this is a standalone product. I feel like I can use this with probably like a makeup eraser or something like that. So I want to do a video about this too, so let me know if you guys want to see that. Maybe I'll do either this with conjunction with the makeup eraser, or maybe I'll do like a the battle of the makeup removers, and I'll do this against like a different one. I don't know, let me know what you guys want to see. I also got the Professional Hydrating Primer, which is their newer one from Benefit. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm, but I figure I'll just throw it in here because again, this can be found at Sephora. I got this set from McGrath. This is the Mini Lip Fetish Lip Balm Trio. So I do have inside this kit the full size of just the regular lip balm, but this one has like the minis of that and then also some tinted ones. So I figured I'll pick this up. Let me show you what it actually looks like, hopefully without making too much of a mess in my room because these little confettis just go everywhere usually. So this is what the little lip balms look like. I will show it to you compared to a regular size from the brand. So it is quite smaller, but it's so cute. I love that the packaging still has this like lips on it. And this is the regular lip balm. And then there are two more that are tinted. So wow, these are really tinted. I'm not even sure how these are supposed to be lip balms because the color is like intense. I swatched them right here and they look so beautiful and they really do look moisturizing. So I'm really excited for these. Next, I got some Fenty lipsticks. These are currently on discount for like half off, which is crazy. So I really wanted to pick up some. I do have one like a travel size or like a sampler size of these that I got, I think also in one of those like Sephora Favorites like older kits. So I know that I like the formulation. They look really nice on. So I just really wanted to get a bunch more colors. So I got 4 more and the packaging is just beautiful. And let's go ahead and swatch all of them. So this first one is called Thick. Ooh, this is what it looks like. So freaking beautiful. This one is Madame. And it is a beautiful red color. Wow, so pigmented. I barely swiped that on. This one is Spanked, and it is more of a neutrally dark nude. Super pretty. And lastly, I have the darkest one of the bunch, which is Griselda, and it is a blood red, like, oh my god, beautiful burgundy color. Love that. So I also got this little set, which is from Farsi. I did miss it when they launched it on their own website like a month back or something, but then I saw that Sephora has it, so I just had to pick it up. It is basically a sampler of their like serums, and they're really, really small, but you do get to try all of them out. So I don't know if you guys know of this brand, but it is super popular on TikTok and Instagram and stuff like that. And they basically just have different serums for like tightening and brightening and stuff like that. So I really wanted to try them out, and I thought this was like the perfect way to do that. I also have this Ciara London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. So this is a setting spray. Again, I got this in BoxyCharm, but I figure I'll just throw it in this haul. This is what it looks like, and wow. Okay, so the spritzer is actually really cool. It's like on the bigger side. This smells a lot like coconut. It is sort of a fainter scent, so I'm hoping I will be able to stand it once it's on my face, because putting a scent like this like right on top of my nose, I don't know how that's gonna go, but it looks promising, so I'm excited for this. I also got this from Too Faced. This is the Do You Fresh Glow Translucent Setting Powder. So again, this was on sale. I think they're just like getting rid of a ton of their stuff from these lines, like the Tutti Frutti line and maybe the Dewy line. I don't know what this one is called, but it is basically a translucent powder that's supposed to be a little bit more brightening and like dewy basically. So, ooh, a lot came out. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is basically just a loose powder. It does have sort of like a mesh right on top to stop it from going everywhere, but it did still go everywhere. It looks on my skin, just from where it fell all over, that it is a tiny bit on the shinier side. So I hope it's gonna look nice on the skin. It is sort of like for dewier skin, and my skin tends to be oily sometimes. So I hope it still works, but I really did want to give this a shot, so I picked it up. And then also from Too Faced, from the Tutti Frutti line, I have these Juicy Fruits Watermelon Candy Finish Lip Gloss. So I got mine in the shade Mega Melons. Okay, I swatched it right here. It is very pigmented, which is nice, but I feel like it's a little bit on the metallic side, which I don't like for lip glosses. It kind of tends to look childish in my eyes, just like on me. But I mean, it smells really nice. It smells like watermelon. I'm hoping it's gonna like taste really nice too, and not too like artificial. But yes, I picked that up as well. We have a little bit more to go. I have something from Becca. I'm not sure it's actually available yet on Sephora, but I know it will be really soon because it is a really, really new product. This is the Becca Zero No Pigment Virtual Foundation. This is a foundation that's supposed to match everybody basically, because it doesn't really have a color. So basically, this is what the component looks like. Super pretty and slick, but it doesn't have any pigment in it. It is basically just like clear, sort of like a primer. Like that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, is this just a primer or will it look different than a primer? So I will do a video on this, comparing it to probably one of the more famous primers like the Smashbox Photo Finish or something like that. So again, definitely keep tuned for that and subscribe if you haven't already. And yes, I did end up picking this up from the Becca website. So I did also get some freebies with it, which is really fun. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Luminous Blush in the shade Camilla. So just a really beautiful blush. Honestly, it looks a lot like NARS Orgasm. So I wonder if I actually need another one of those. And I also got a mini of this Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. So just a setting powder. So that was really fun. And the rest of what's in here is basically just samples that I got from Sephora, either because I ordered over a certain amount and then I could choose a sample, or because I had some points and I used them. So let's go ahead and go through them. I got this really cool set from Tatcha. Tatcha is such a great brand and it's so freaking expensive. So to get something like this for points, I was really excited. It is a set of their like blue line. This is the Deep Cleanse and this is the Water Cream. So these two samples were 300 points, which was for me a really good buy because I really wanted to try them out, but they're so freaking expensive. I wasn't going to. I also got this Giorgio Armani mascara. This is the Eyes to Kill Classica. So this is just a little sample size of their mascara. It looks like it would be interesting. I'm not gonna open it because I have so many mascaras open right now. So I'm just gonna save it to the side, and whenever I need a new mascara, I'll just pop this one out. I also got my birthday gift. Yay, that was really fun. I got the Bum Bum cream and the new Coco Cabana cream from Sol de Janeiro. It is just a small little sample size, but I really wanted to try these products out. I never did because, again, they're so freaking expensive. Like, I can't really justify that much money for a body cream, you know? But, wow, this is actually, it smells like food. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I want to eat this up. Wow, I really love that. I get why everybody's really obsessed over the scent. And the cocoa one, oh, I actually don't really like that. No, that's not for me, but really excited to try these. They also had these cute little Biosense samples with like over $25 purchase or something like that online. So I got these two. I got the eye cream, and then I also got their vitamin C oil. So basically some of their like most famous products. I'm really excited to try them, even though the size is like super tiny. But you know what? This was free. I'm really excited to try it. If it's good, maybe I'll buy the full size. But for now, this should be more than enough. And then lastly, also for some points, these were both like 100 each. I got the Monsieur Big from Lancome. This is a mascara that's super popular. My sister absolutely loves it. I think she has like 4 of these, including like 2 of the big size. So, you know, it should be good. And of course, I got lipstick all of my shirts. So yeah, yay for that. But last product is from Briogeo. It is the Farewell Frizz conditioning spray. It is a leave-in treatment. So it is basically just a spray for the hair. It's supposed to be really good for frizzies, and I have a ton of those. I'm sure you can tell. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I heard that Briogeo is like a great company, and again, super expensive. So I'm always happy to try these out through points or through like purchases of a certain amount, because that way I don't have to pay the full price and I still get to try them. So that was everything for this video and for this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for a lot of content concerning these things, and also just like different content coming out real soon. I have a whole list of video ideas that I want to shoot really soon and upload. I'll try to upload a lot more from now on. So yeah, if you guys want to see all of that, please subscribe and please like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!